What's up guys, Trev here, and today I am taking a look at the latest Hot Wheels Redline Club release. It is the 1991 BMW M3. I have not opened this thing up at all, so I'm going to crack it open. I have not checked to see if it's still available. I'm actually recording this on Wednesday. This arrived very quick. Actually arrived the same day as the Elite 6.4 PlayStation 911 that everyone went crazy over. So here we go. Now this does have the new style RLC acrylic case where they can now stack. That is amazing. Here's the outer box. There's the packaging. I'm going to show it off real quick. There's some literature if you would like to read that. And some nice packaging. Looks pretty good. And wow, all right. I have the other two versions of this casting out. So the first release we got was this steel blue release, which looks very nice with these silver 10 spokes. It is a very amazing release. It's still my favorite release. This one's a bit dusty. I'm gonna have to dust it off here pretty soon. And then in 2023, we got this red one. I think I actually did a video on this a long while ago. Oh, I'm not going to be able to take it off the base, but you can see it in there. It's got the kind of lace wheel in gold. It's just oxblood. This might be oxblood red. It's a nice color. And now this one, I think it's olive. What do they call it on the back? Where's the color? Olive green Spectraflame. Okay. First things first, I'm taking this off the... Okay, that did not give me much trouble. That came off. All right. I'm actually going to cut away while I unscrew this from the base because it's quite tedious and boring. Because I am going to take this off the base and give you all a closer look at it. So I will be back. Car extracted. I have it out of the package. Here it is. So, there's the base. It is just matte black. It has gold 10 spokes on it, which look very nice. You have this olive green color, which looks pretty crisp. Actually, I quite like the color. This olive color is very nice, and the wheels pair nicely. Tan interior on this. We have the door lock there in silver. The mirrors, it has mirrors, and they actually are printed in silver, so that's nice. Did the other ones get silver printing on the mirrors? Yeah, they did. Looks like they did. You have the windows. Looks like the window trim is painted in black. Here you have the back. E30 Envy. Green with envy. I see the pun. You got the taillights, the M3 badge, BMW badge. The spoiler, I believe, is a separate piece. It is metal, but it is a separate part. Flip it around. I'm trying to not touch the paint as much as possible. I think my finger is still touching the wing. That's okay. I can just wipe that off. Here's the front. You have the BMW badge there on the top. Focus. There we go. And then you get the grille and headlights done up and other lights. The grille printing looks pretty good. Just from the top. There's my reflection in the Spectraflame paint. And this casting does have opening doors. I have brought a tool here, so I'm not prying at it with my fingers. There we go. Oh, they opened very readily. Then this side, I'm just going to put this little tool in here. Ideally, I want to do it by the base. Oh, this one's on a little tight. I mean, I already have it open on this side. I could probably just push it, right? Yay! It worked. Alright, doors have been opened. We can now get a little bit of a closer look at the interior. Not much detail in there. The dashboard is a separate piece, so at least you get a color break there from the rest of the interior, but I mean, that's about it. You got some back seats. There's the inside of the door. The doors are also metal. They shut. This one's not shut, and this one looks a bit crooked, actually. This one shuts nice. That one looks good. This one doesn't look as good. You can see it's a bit I think it's just on there crooked. I'm trying to put it on there. Nah. You see how I'm trying to push it in? It just pops back out. Actually, it made it very easy to open it because there's actually quite a bit of a gap there, so I can just stick that in. So I don't know if the hinge is on not straight or what. It's not a big deal, but it is something to note. That is the model. Very quick video. This and the Porsche were actually quite fast videos. I'm only looking at one car. I like it. Compared to the other ones, this one might be my least favorite. I still like it. The blue one, I don't think you're going to beat that one. That one's gorgeous. The red one's pretty good, because oxblood is a gorgeous color. This one's nice, though, I gotta say. I actually do like it. Just, I think, compared to the other ones, I maybe like it less, but I still think it's good. Pretty good model. I think the next RLC sale after this one is the NSX with the lights. So that will be an interesting one to open up. And yeah, that's the BMW. Third BMW M3. I say it looks pretty good. I do quite like it myself.